How do you download images in Gmail? To do that, we would go into the email that has images in it. Now, images can be attached and they can also be right inside of the email. If we hover over either one of these, we're actually going to have a little download button. So in the lower right, we can download, or we can even add to our drive, or we can save to our Google Photos on this account. So quickly, we can just click this download button, and it's going to download that image. And so that went to my downloads folder from this browser and then opened right up. Now, that might not just open right up like that for you, but you could probably find it in your downloads. Same thing with this image down here that was just attached. You can click that little download button, and it's probably going to do the same action. Now, if we click on this image down here, it's going to open it up in this lightbox, allowing us to view the image kind of larger and giving us a bunch more options. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll find that same download button. And then we have more actions up here, and you can also just exit out of this in the upper left. This image, same thing. We can click on it and do all the same actions. And so you can click on them to view them and download, or you can just hover and find that download option right here, depending on whether it's written inside of the actual email or inserted inside of the email, or attached as an attachment, which will be down here toward the bottom of the email or any of the replies. That's how you can download images from Gmail.